After replacing the right driving motor, motor calibration must be done using the diagnostic tool. Remove the battery packs. Use a 13 mm socket and a 15 mm open-end wrench to remove the 2 bolts and nuts securing the left and right sides of the seat. Remove the cable tie and disconnect the seat wire harness connector before removing the seat. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the rear cover. Use an 8 mm socket to remove the 4 bolts securing the middle cover. Unplug the 2 wire harness connectors on the right cover assembly. Use a 21 mm socket wrench to loosen the 4 nuts on the rear wheel. Lift up the rear end of the mower, then remove the back wheel. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws that fasten the right cover on the frame. Use a 10 mm socket wrench to loosen the 2 bolts that fasten the right steering lever, then remove it. Use a T10 bit to loosen the 2 screws securing the handle cover to the adjustment handle, then remove it. Use a 13 mm socket wrench to loosen the bolt securing the adjustment handle and then remove it. Remove the sticker to access a hidden screw underneath it. Use a T30 bit to loosen the screw under the label. Open the battery box cover, then use a T30 bit to loosen the rear screws on the right-hand cover plate. Adjust the deck height to the highest position. Push the right steering lever to the neutral position, then remove the right cover assembly. Use needle nose pliers to remove the cable ties securing the wiring harness. Use a side cutter to cut the cable ties securing the wiring harnesses. Unplug the 2 communication cable connectors and the power connector. Use a 10 mm socket wrench to loosen the 4 bolts securing the driving motor to the gearbox. Place a rug or mat directly beneath the driving motor to prevent it from causing damage if it drops accidentally. Use a screwdriver to alternately pry the driving motor from both sides of the gap between it and the gearbox. Once the gap reaches approximately 1 cm, the driving motor can be pulled and removed from the rear axle assembly. Slide the new driving motor in the correct position on the gearbox. Make sure that the 4 motor mounting holes are aligned with the gearbox holes. Pull the motor wiring harnesses up through the frame opening and place them in front of the battery box. Use a 10 mm socket wrench to tighten the 4 bolts that fasten the driving motor to gearbox. The recommended torque is 10 to 12 Nm or 7.4 to 8.9 foot-pounds. Plug the 2 wire harnesses connectors and secure them with a cable tie. Plug the power cable connector and secure it with the clamping collar. Insert all cable ties into the correct position of the frame. Tuck the wiring harness in the trap and secure the connector in the holder. Place the right cover assembly in the correct position on the frame. Use a T30 bit to tighten the front and rear screws of the right cover. The recommended torque is 3 to 3.5 Nm or 2.2 to 2.6 foot-pounds. Reattach or install a label. Use a 13 mm socket wrench to tighten the bolt that fastens the adjusting handle. The recommended torque is 19 to 20 Nm or 14 to 14.8 foot-pounds. Use a T10 bit to tighten the 2 screws that fasten the handle cover to the adjusting handle. The recommended torque is 0.4 to 0.6 Nm or 3.5 to 5.3 inch-pounds. Align the left and right steering lever handles. Use a 10 mm socket wrench to tighten the 2 bolts that fasten the right steering lever. The recommended torque is 19 to 20 Nm or 14 to 14.8 foot-pounds. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 2 screws that fasten the right cover assembly on the frame. The recommended torque is 0.5 to 0.6 Nm or 4.5 to 5.3 inch-pounds. Place the rear wheel in the correct position on the mower. With the tapered side of the lug nuts facing inwards, start turning the lug nuts on the 4 threaded rods by hand. Use a 21 mm socket wrench to tighten the 4 lug nuts on the rear wheel. Tighten any 2 opposite nuts first. The recommended torque is 101 to 103 Nm or 74 to 77 ft-lbs. Connect the 2 connectors and place them in the traps. Release the back end of the mower. Secure the middle cover with the 4 screws. The recommended torque is 3 to 3.5 Newton meters or 2.2 to 2.5 inch-pounds. Secure the rear cover with the 4 screws. Plug the wire harness terminal in and install the cable tie. Secure the seat with the 2 bolts and nuts.